Have you ever wondered how a company as massive as Google, with its sprawling teams and countless projects, manages to keep everything organized? I mean, think about it. Search, Android, YouTube, cloud, the sheer scale is mind-boggling. We all use Google's products, we see the results of their work, but how do they actually do it? What tools are they using behind the scenes to coordinate thousands of employees across the globe? You've probably used project management tools yourself, maybe Trello, Monday, or Asana. And that's exactly what brings us to today's question. Does Google, the titan of tech, actually use Asana? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially for those of us who are deeply invested in the world of productivity and project management. We're always searching for that magic bullet, that perfect tool that can unlock peak efficiency. And when you see a company like Google, a company that's synonymous with innovation and organization, you naturally wonder what they rely on. Before we dive into the specifics of Asana, let's take a moment to understand the challenge Google faces. We're not talking about managing a small team or a single project here. We're talking about coordinating thousands of engineers, designers, marketers, and product managers, all working on complex, interconnected projects. They need to track deadlines, assign tasks, manage dependencies, and ensure seamless communication across diverse teams. And they need to do it at a scale that most of us can barely comprehend. Think about the development of a new Android update. It's not just a matter of coding features. It involves user research, design iterations, testing, localization, marketing, and countless other tasks. Each of these tasks involves multiple teams, each with their own workflows and deadlines. And all of them need to be synchronized to ensure a smooth launch. Or consider the development of a new AI model for Google Search. It requires collaboration between researchers, engineers, and product managers. They need to track experiments, manage datasets, review code, and coordinate deployments. And they need to do it in a fast-paced environment where innovation is key. This level of complexity demands a robust and flexible project management system. It's not just about assigning tasks. It's about creating a shared understanding of goals, tracking progress, and fostering collaboration. That's why the question of whether Google uses Asana is so intriguing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Google has its own suite of productivity tools, including Google Workspace, which includes Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Meet. They also have internal tools that are specifically designed for their unique needs. So why would they need a third-party project management tool like Asana? Well, the truth is, while Google has its own tools, they also recognize the value of specialized software that excels in specific areas. Just like many companies use a CRM like Salesforce in addition to their internal systems, they might use Asana for certain teams or projects where its features are particularly well-suited. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface, its flexible task management features, and its strong focus on collaboration. It allows teams to create detailed task lists, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. It also provides a variety of views, including list, board, and calendar views, which allow teams to visualize their work in different ways. For teams that need a highly visual and flexible project management tool, Asana can be a great fit. It's particularly useful for creative teams, marketing teams, and product development teams that need to manage complex workflows and collaborate closely. So, while Google may not use Asana for every project or every team, it's entirely possible that they use it for specific use cases. It's not uncommon for large companies to use a variety of tools to meet their diverse needs. Think of it this way: Google has a toolbox filled with different tools. Google Workspace is like a set of general-purpose tools, useful for a wide range of tasks. But Asana, or any other dedicated project management software, can be seen as a specialized tool, designed for specific tasks that require a higher level of precision and flexibility. It's important to remember that Google is constantly experimenting and iterating on its processes and tools. They're always looking for ways to improve efficiency and collaboration. So, it's possible that they've used Asana in the past, they're using it currently for some teams, or they might consider using it in the future. Furthermore, Google is a massive company, and different teams often have autonomy in selecting their preferred tools. Just because one team uses a specific tool doesn't mean that every team does. It's entirely possible that some teams within Google have found Asana to be a valuable asset for their workflows. Now, you might be wondering, what are some of the alternatives that Google might use? Well, they have their own internal project management tools, as mentioned, but they also use other popular tools like Jira, which is particularly popular among software development teams. Jira is known for its powerful issue tracking and agile project management features. They also use Google Sheets and Google Docs for collaborative planning and tracking. While not dedicated project management tools, they can be used effectively for simple projects and tasks. And let's not forget about Google's own internal tools. They have a vast ecosystem of software that's designed to meet their specific needs. These tools are often highly customized and integrated with their other systems, providing a seamless workflow for their employees. The key takeaway here is that Google is a pragmatic company. They're not afraid to use the best tool for the job, even if it's a third-party tool. They prioritize efficiency and collaboration, and they're willing to invest in the tools that help them achieve their goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.